Members of the Fraternity Arts Cine Entertainment, Faces Shillong, and Seng Biria U Khasi, Sbuk, had addressed the media in Shillong on the 9th of June 2023 on the collaboration between the two groups with a common intention to encourage performing arts in the state of Meghalaya. Speaking at the press conference held today, one of the members of Sbuk, Tamar, informed that as per the meeting held on the 2nd of June 2023, both entertainment groups had mutually agreed upon certain decisions to encourage performing arts amongst the present generation of youth by reviving stage plays and dramas through various platforms.
Lamunjur bandon ke jingi trailang apre ke Sbuk bat ke Faces ban kintiu yak performing arts kamtam yak jingi latai drama hakajela lamunjur ru ban co-op kumki asset members jo ke Sbuk art mut ki chenrang bat art mut ki kintei na ke khot jo ke Faces ban lai ti ru i ba barib korba by nominate yaki asset members la ban kintup shushu na ki Faces kumki associate members jong ke Sbuk hadin la da don kap lamunjuru ban pediang yai ba korba banong kum advisor jong ke ni ke kenhun ke jong ni Sbuk but together aga jong na ke Faces halor ke jing sep aga jing le drama neginu gidu drama bingla pelong daga Sbuk pada Faces ngesaya penbet janai daga jing Shillong lang jong barak arya lamunjur bai yanga banong kum nong kren nak lihat Sbuk mai ba produk wilarong kum nong mikman mamdaka Faces haga tu janmi lamunjur ru bandon ke joint conference ke pangilala man pen orlong ngani ke janmi but kani kalau kesini ke pangilikut kendai trek bernai June arjan arfulai hak pangilala man don lang ar kinon bat kawe kinse Lara itu bagaimana yang bertanya ke keren, penang kintup syukur kinu ki kindon, kibedon kam nak wake up kemudian orang kadang berkijing kelah, bangilah amendment entities to come, begini kaya, jika agreement ke banglai talk ni selesai nak ni.
Karena ia kata mu ya competition or any kind of apa yang colleges kan ya apa ni bangin yo artist semua itu kan. Ngamong tak ki actors, ngamong tak writers tu. Ki batho nga encourage ki writers to they should come forward mata this is high time because theater cinema whatever we need writers and we need some good writers
but